Hi guys, welcome to the Cactus Art. In this video I'm making a canvas painting of night and dusk, so let's get started. Divide the canvas into two portions using paper tape and make small circle-shaped sun with paper and paste it over the canvas. Apply acrylic colors in this pattern and spread colors using flat brush. Blend the colors beautifully. Now add shades of blue color on the other side and blend them. Apply white color on toothbrush and sprinkle on the blue side to make stars. Remove sun circle and color it, and also make a moon on another side. Remove paper tape and make a tree with round brush using black color. Make its leaves using angular brush. Make the ground at the base of tree. Now make grass using liner brush. Dusky night painting is ready. Thank you for watching.